Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TechCast T60 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So in this video I'd like to show you two different ways of blocking the number. Let's start with your contact list. So find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it. Let me choose this one. Now we have to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on block numbers. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number. I don't want to report it as a spam, and let's tap on block. As you can see, we've got this characteristic icon next to the number, which means that the number has been blocked. Of course, we can unblock it the same way, three dots icon and unblock numbers, but let me leave it like this. We will check if it will appear on the blacklist, which we will enter right now in the second way of blocking the number. So all we have to do right now is to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner, and tap on the settings. Here in this general section, tap on blocked numbers, and as you can see, this is our blacklist with the number we blocked from our contacts, so the previous option works. Here we can tap on add a number and enter it manually, so we do not have to have them saved on our contacts. Just enter it and tap on block and it will immediately appear on the blacklist. What is more, here we can also block the calls from unidentified callers just by using the switcher. Right now it is active. You can turn it on and off, up to you completely. And if you want to unblock the number, just tap on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.